Okay, we have another equation, also factored, two factors multiplied together, but this time it's equal to -8. And because it's equal to -8, it's not 0, so that's why we must expand first. So I'll expand that expression, so that gives me 6x. Next one is 2x times -2. And that's give me -2x squared. Now the next step, because it's x squared, so I know it's a quadratic equation, so it must be equal to 0. That's why I'll take the -8 and put it in the left hand side, so it's become +8 equals 0. Now I'll just rewrite the equation as we normally write in a decent order, just for you not to get confused. Okay, so I've got a quadratic equation. I've done nothing. So I've just written it as in a decent order. The x squares first, the term with the x square, then the term with the x, and then the constants. Now the next step is I can tell that the 2 is a common factor between their expressions. So I will take -2 as a common factor. So I'll have -2 as a common factor, open a bracket. From the first term is left is x squared. And because it's -2 is a common factor, so 6 divided by -2 is -3x. +8 divided by -2, it's -4 equals 0. So remember, when we're taking factors, we divide each term by that factor. And you can see what I've got inside the brackets now. It's a straightforward quadratic equation, and that's where I'm going to start factorizing. So I'll keep the -2, rewrite the -2, and because it's a quadratic equation, so I'm going to write my two brackets. Now, to get your factorize, so you've got x squared minus 3x minus 4. I'll take the -4. The two factors that times together give me -4. Adds together give me -3. It's -4 and +1. So x minus 4 and x plus 1. Now it's up to you, sometimes in this step or even the previous step, that you divide everything by -2 or take the -2 to this side, so it's becoming division, just to get rid of -2. So or you can do it the other way if you want, or you could say, oh, -2 equals 0, this is invalid solution. So it's up to you. There's really multiple ways, but I would do divide by everything by -2. Sorry, it looked like that. And that's why -2 divided by -2 is 1, so I'll leave with x minus 4 and x plus 1. And 0 divided by -2 is just 0. So now I've got the two factors multiplied together, give me 0. That's either one of them is a 0, so it's either x minus 4 is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. And that's give me x equal to 4 or x equal to 1. So those are my two answers, my two solutions for this equation. It's either x equal to 4 or x equal to 0.